Cloudflare is proud to be the sponsor for this year's Security Summit. In fact, Cloudflare is honored to have been a major investor in African cloud infrastructure for many years. Our full stack of technology is physically present in over 20 cities around the continent. Our technology, with prices starting at free, are used to enable the wonderfully creative and practical African digital agenda of growth and prosperity for all people. This is a premier event with something for everyone, an amazing lineup of speakers and great networking opportunities, particularly with a big array of Cloudflare cybersecurity experts waiting to have a conversation with you. To protect against the challenge of AI-equipped attackers, we need new and more sophisticated security tools. In Africa, cybersecurity costs are soaring due to rapid digital transformation that is outpacing security infrastructure investment. There's an increasing sophisticated cyber threats and a significant shortage of skilled cybersecurity professionals. Last year, for example, we saw internet traffic grow 41% just in South Africa, of which almost 10% was blocked as malicious. Internet, telecom, finance, and recreation accounted for around 40% of all attacks together. Taking place on the 4th and 5th of June at the Sandton Convention Centre, Johannesburg, with workshops on the 6th. Attendees can simply go to www.itweb.co.za to register and secure their seat. We're looking forward to seeing you join us at our stand at the Security Summit, having some great conversations and discussing how we can partner together.